I just received this nice light for the bike. There's some things I want to show you about this once I get this put on. Now it comes with a few different straps. Actually, it comes with some straps of different length. And this is not the key that came with it. Actually, it comes with a nice shiny one, but I left it inside. I want to show you something really cool about this light. There's something that you need to know about this, because if you look at the back of the box, these are the actual light levels that you can get from this. You've got the constant mode and you've got the flash mode. So the way this works is you've got this circle thing, and this is going to attach on there. So let me get this put on here first. I'm just going to put it, see if it fits on here. I might need the longer one. Let's see. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Well, since this has a kind of a narrow part, I'm going to see if it fits on here first. And now, one important thing is to realize that on low we get 9 hours, mid you get 4, and high you get 1.5. And the same thing with the flash mode. If you put it on the night flash, then you're going to get 4.5 hours. If you put it on the day flash, then you're going to get 9 hours. Get that screw threaded in there. Let's see if it's okay. I think it's caught. So what I just need to do now is get this tightened up. All right, so that's somewhat good. Now, one feature of this is that there are lines on here which actually make the beam, flatten out the beam on the top so that you're not blinding other people. So that's one feature. That's not what I was going to show you. What I want to show you is something else. And once we get this in place, here's the top of the light. I'm going to push the button. So it's push and hold. And then I'm going to shine that up there like that. So I'm going to point this down. So, all right, so that's not bad. So you can see as I'm moving this back and forth. Okay, there's the light. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this again. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then back to the low beam. Let me show you how this nice light works. If you long push this, it turns on the light. So you actually have 3 different modes for the constant light. That's the next brightness, and that's the next brightness, and then it cycles through those. Now, if you double click on this one, it puts you in the flashing mode. Now, the interesting thing about this is, this one you'll see it goes from the low, kind of the low beam to the high beam. And if you push it again, it goes from off to on. So that's actually considered to be the daytime mode. And this is actually the most efficient. So this is very good for, we go riding on a path where there are lots of people. So it's good to get attention during the daytime. And I think the time that this lasts is about 9 hours from a full charge. Now, the nice thing about this too is when you push this, if you push this off, if that was your favored mode that you want to keep set, when you push this on again, it remembers that mode and it goes back into it. So this, all in all, this is a nice, very nice, versatile light. If you double click again, it goes back into the constant mode. I think it's pretty cool.